Hi there and welcome to Module 6. So far in our multicultural education class, we have reflected on an inequity framework and how it contributes to the marginalization of various groups based on race, socioeconomic status, gender, and sexual identity. We've looked at the impact on bias in the classroom and how to improve instruction for all students. You have probably noticed the concept of empathy involved in working with various groups of students. The ability to walk in each other's shoes leads to a better understanding and improved communication that benefits all stakeholders involved in schools. Our next module is focused on an increasingly relevant population of students in schools. There's been a great deal of conversation and action taken to support students from trauma. This new module will confront the growing number of students that come from adverse childhood experiences. A key term for today's schools is the trauma-informed classroom. Teachers in the classroom should have an array of strategies to help students from trauma. This module will provide information about responding to students facing trauma and the language we can use to ease the impact of trauma on our students by showing concern and empathy for the child's situation. Besides looking at best practices for students in trauma, we will examine the long-term effects of adverse childhood experiences by holding a discussion on the ACEs survey that quantifies these adverse experiences for children, and for everybody, really. You can take the ACEs survey at any age. Your assignment this week is around the language of trauma. Your task is to fill out a chart using language that is less threatening to students from trauma and effective at building a positive relationship with these students. The module concludes with another video showing the impact of trauma on the long-term well-being of students. As always, if you have questions or concerns, reach out to your instructor, your course grader, to myself, email through Canvas, and my cell phone is 660-254-4424. Take care and have a great week.